Always Platinum Care free with every purchase. Deciding whether to get paintless dent repair, windshield repair, key and remote replacement, or 24-hour roadside assistance coverage for your vehicle can be tough. We've made the process easy by giving you all these great benefits, at no charge, with every vehicle purchase. Here's a quick breakdown of the coverage you will receive when you purchase your next vehicle with Allways Auto Group. Paintless dent repair covers dents and dings less than 4 inches in size, without harming the vehicle's factory finish. Windshield repair covers chips and cracks in the windshield caused by propelled rocks or road debris. Key and remote replacement covers the cost of replacing a lost, stolen, or destroyed key or remote. And finally, 24-hour roadside assistance provides towing and wrecker service, emergency road service, flat tire change, emergency fluids or supply delivery service, battery jump service, and key lockout service. So if you're looking for comprehensive coverage that will give you peace of mind no matter what happens on the road, our free Allways Platinum Care package is the way to go.